Hey everyone, and a huge welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into something I'm genuinely thrilled to introduce you to. It's going to change how you interact with your smartphone every single day. Get ready to meet the N keyboard. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Another keyboard? What makes this one special? Well, let me tell you, the N keyboard isn't just another keyboard. It's a powerful, feature-rich fork of the incredibly stable and reliable LatinIME keyboard. We've taken that robust foundation and infused it with innovative features and thoughtful design choices to truly elevate your mobile typing experience. We've focused on making it more intuitive, more personal, and ultimately, more productive for you. The very first step is to download the N Keyboard APK file. You'll find a direct, secure download link conveniently placed in the video description right below this video. Once the download is complete, simply open your phone's Files app. Locate the N Keyboard APK file you just downloaded and tap on it. After the installation finishes, you'll need to tell your phone to use the N Keyboard. Go back into your phone's settings. Then find System, the languages, and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard. Here, you'll see a list of your installed keyboards. Select N Keyboard and enable it. You might then be prompted to confirm you want to make it your default keyboard. So, if you're someone who types a lot, whether it's for work, social media, or just quick messages to friends and family, you're going to want to stick around. Let's break down exactly what makes the N keyboard stand out from the crowd. First up, and this is a feature I'm particularly excited about because it addresses a common frustration. We've integrated a dedicated translation panel right into the N keyboard. Next, for all you expressive communicators out there, we know that sometimes a standard emoji just doesn't quite capture the nuance you're going for. That's why we've significantly expanded our library of ASCII emojis. And finally, because personalization is key to a truly great user experience, we've packed the N keyboard with some fantastic theming options. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the N keyboard. I highly encourage you to give it a try. Download it today, experience the difference, and let us know what you think. If you encounter any hiccups during installation or have any questions about the features, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us as we continue to improve and evolve the N keyboard. If you found this video helpful and are excited about the N keyboard, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content and updates. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.